Hello kids, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now today we will revisit the verb to be. We will need it. Ci servirà because we're gonna learn present continuous tense. Impareremo il present continuous using the verb to be. Okay, start. Now, the Simpson family. I am Bart. I am with my family. I'm American. You are my friend. You're a good boy. Can you see difference? You are or your. Long form and the short form, la forma contratta. Okay, do you remember it? Hope so. Now let's go. He is Homer. He is my dad. Okay. He is or his. They are both correct. Yeah? She is Marge. She's my mom. Right? That is a dog. That, quello, is a dog. It's my pet. Okay, because we're talking about an animal. So we use it's, only one. Now, we are friends. Oh, sorry. Let's go back. We're at school. Siamo a scuola. Okay, we're at school. Yes, we're at home, but we're at school in this moment, actually. So now, you and your friends, tu e I tuoi amici, are students. You're cool. Siete forti. They are Lisa and Maggie. They're my sisters. Always look, they are and there. All right? The two possibilities you have. Due possibilità che avevi. Let's go. And remember, now a million. What are you doing here? Che ci fa un million? I don't know. Anyway, please remember, ricordatevi, okay? This is the long form of the verb to be and the short form, okay? To remember it, if you want, you can write it. Scrivetelo on your exercise book so you will remember. Let's go. Now the negative form. I am not from Britain. I'm not British. Look at the short form. I am not. I'm not. Okay? Great. She's not Marge. Wait. Scappano, eh? They are running away. She isn't my mom. Okay? Lei non è la mia mamma. She isn't my mom. All right? We are not from Mexico. We aren't Mexican. We aren't Mexican. Okay? Quasi non si sente la R when you pronounce it. We aren't. Try, provateci. We aren't. Okay, Mexican. Remember. Okay. Now this is a negative form, right? I am. I'm not. You are not. You aren't. He is not. He isn't. Okay? Check them all and guardatele tutte. Interrogative. Am I your best friend? Do you remember the game we did with our hands? I am. Okay, wait. I am becomes am I? Okay, you change the place of the verb and the subject. Si scambiano il posto al verbo. Very easy, but not a problem. Am I your best friend? Yes, you are. Okay, this is the short answer. Non devo ripetere tutto. Yes, you are. Sì, lo sei. Ok, inteso. My best friend. Ma non lo ridico. And now, are you my teacher? Yes, I am, sir. Is she your mom? No, she isn't. Parliamo di una terza persona. Guardateli qua. 1, 2, 3. Sono 3. We use she because she is a lady. È una signora. Now remember with the meaning, remember. Okay, am I? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Are you? Yes, you are. Oh, no, you're not. And the same goes, lo stesso funziona for the other persons. Is he? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Okay. Now let's see together if we can complete the sentences. È un giochettino. We have to fill in. So, she, right here. She am. She are. She is my mother. È la sua mamma. No. She isn't my mother. Let's look at this one now. Uh-oh. Back again. Scappa, scappa. Ecco. Bart is my friend. Okay? Attenzione. Look at the meaning of the words, Controllate il significato. Means alto, short, basso. So, lui dice, I, puntini, puntini, tall, I'm short, sono basso. So, what shall I put here? I'm not. Ci eravate? Hope so. Let's go. We, what are we? Come siamo noi? We are friends. They are or aren't. Vi ricordate da dove viene Bart? Where is he from? He's American, so I will choose they aren't Spanish, the negative. Okay. Bye-bye. So, listen children, I hope everything is clear to you. Okay, spero che vi sia chiaro. The verb to be is very important, you know it. Non diamolo per scontato, and we can practice it a little bit. Ci eserciteremo un po' a casa. I will give you a sheet to do, okay? You can do it just writing on your computer if you have it, perché è un Word, è un documento Word. If you cannot use it, se non potete usare this file, just write the sentences. Scrivete solo le frasi on your exercise book and please send me a picture. Okay? Bye for now, children. Ci vediamo presto. Bye bye. See you.